This is my first video, first blog. I just thought I'd introduce myself. I'm a teacher, outdoors instructor, bushcraft survival coach, father of 3, and now social media influencer. Hi guys, welcome to RedWeston Bushcraft. My name's Simon. Today we're going to be talking about fire steels, fire strikers, ferro rods. I've seen loads of people using them in all kinds of different ways. Some of them great, some of them a little bit hit and miss. What I'd like to do today is show you my technique. My technique that is repeatable and it's something that gets consistent spark. So this is what I'm talking about today, ferrocerium rod. They come in all shapes and sizes. Mine happens to have a glow in the dark end, so I'm less likely to lose it, which happens quite a lot, I'm afraid. What you'll get is the stick and a striker. The striker's pretty good at just taking a spark, although most of us will have a fixed blade knife. Using the spine of the blade, it's got a nice sharp right angle. Same thing, just strike it along and it'll work nice and easy. Okay, so what I'd like to do is have a look at how we do this. So hold the blade solid, nice and still, put the striker over the tinder and I draw the striker back. So when using your striker, try and get the angle at about 45 degrees, like you'd be buttering a slice of toast. Not too sharp, not too upright. Okay guys, thanks for taking the time to watch the show. If you liked it, drop us a comment, let us know what you thought. If you have any suggestions on how to improve it, I'd like to know that too. Thank you very much. Hi, my name's Simon Curran. Welcome to RedWeston Boring.